Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank you for your interest in the course Up and Running with 3D Basics. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at how you can get some free softwares to start learning and growing in the 3D world. This one is going to be a quick lesson, so let's get right into it. First of all, I would like to start off with Autodesk Maya. Autodesk Maya is one of the most popular and most used industry software for 3D content creation. And Autodesk has made 1 year free license available for anyone who is interested in learning it. To get your free software, go to autodesk.com/education/edusoftware, and there you can get all the free softwares that are available by Autodesk. If you scroll down, you'll see Maya. To get your free software, click on Get Started. Once you do that, it will redirect you to an accounts page. If you already have an Autodesk account, this becomes really easy and you can sign right into it. If you don't, you'll have to create an account. You'll put in your details such as country, education, and institution. Once you create your account, it would become very easy for you to download the free version of the software. You can renew it multiple times as long as your account stays valid. Moving on, let's look at RenderMan. RenderMan is a rendering software by Pixar. It is available for both professional and non-commercial use. To get your non-commercial license for RenderMan, go to renderman.pixar.com/store. When you get there, you'll see two options, professional and non-commercial. In non-commercial tab, click Try for free. Once you do that, it will redirect you to register for non-commercial version. You must log in using your RenderMan forum ID. If you don't have one, I recommend you create that. It would be really essential in case you want any tutorials or any help later on. There are a lot of people who are willing to help in the forums, so it's a really nice place to learn from. Once you do that, you'll have to also log in using the RenderMan installer using your same forum ID and password. With that, your license will become valid for Maya or any other software which you have, for example Katana as well. Okay, now let's look at how we can get V-Ray for personal learning. To get V-Ray, go to chaosgroup.com/V-Ray/Maya/personal learning edition. V-Ray for Maya is also a plugin, and as part of your personal learning edition, it has some limitation, such as you won't be able to render 4K, and there is also restriction in batch rendering. But other than that, it's really good to learn all the nodes and how it works. So in order to do that, you'll also have to create an account at Chaos Group. Go to Get Started. It will redirect you to log in with your Chaos Group ID. If you don't have that, I recommend you create an account. When you do that, it will ask you for your email and other details. Filling that up will get you your Chaos Group ID, and you can use that to even register for the free learning edition. Once you have Maya, RenderMan, and V-Ray, we would like to look at something that can help you composite your renders later. To do that, we'll use Nuke. You can get the non-commercial version of Nuke from foundry.com/products/nuke/non-commercial. Non-commercial version also has some limitations, but it is really good to get started and start learning the overall software. To get the Nuke non-commercial version, scroll down and click Get It Now. Once you do that, it will also ask you for your Foundry login. I recommend you sign up for this, as it will also be used to learn Katana. Speaking of Katana, you can also get a trial version of Katana for 30 days by going to foundry.com/products/Katana. Katana is a very powerful look development and lighting software. It works along with RenderMan, V-Ray, 3D Light, and other powerful rendering engines to give you beautiful renders and lighting solutions. To get Katana, click on Try for free. Once you do that, it will redirect you to the login page, and you can use your same login which you used for Nuke. Now we know that 30 days are not enough to learn the whole software, so in order to get more time, go to Education. There you will see that you can get free software for students. In order to do that, click on Apply Now. Once you do that, you'll be redirected to Students Licenses page. Scrolling down, you can see all the options of the softwares which are available for students. Now, if you don't want to worry about licenses at all, I would recommend you start working with Blender. Blender is probably the best open source 3D software available. It has a whole community around it. And if you're really interested in learning 3D and pursuing it full time without getting worried about licenses and softwares and render engines, I recommend you look into Blender. It even has some sculpting tools. It is good for VFX, animation. It has some pretty good rendering engines. And nowadays there are more and more plugins and add-ons that are being available for artists all around the world. Blender is a great resource and I recommend you use it to its maximum. To get Blender, go to blender.org. Alright then, that sums up a quick way you can get access to some free softwares for learning and get started with 3D. It is also good to look up your computer specifications just to make sure that the versions of softwares you're getting is compatible with your hardware and your OS. Okay then, this pretty much sums up on ways you can get your hands on 3D softwares for free. Moving on, we'll start talking about some basics of computer graphics and different processes involved in 3D. Okay then, I'll see you later. Take care.